APPS, stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday, is digital turbine stock buy. We're breaking all this down in this very brief short 1 minute video. First thing that I want to mention with apps is that pre-market is very low. Holy crap. Holy crap. Haven't made a video in a while. I mean, first glance, this is a solid, very solid bullish market for me, and especially now, the one thing that I'll care most about is I have my demand zone here, and it's sort of right around my demand zone, which I'm fine with, and it's definitely going to be a swing one. This is, even though it's a demand zone, I'm not immediately going to buy, because you can see how low pre-market is. The one thing that's going to make me be bullish though is a confirmation, and if your confirmation is met, and if it's not met, well, I'm going to go ahead and kick cracks and focus on other tickers while we'll start to get met on apps. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.